In this video, we are going to learn about 52 types of tools and equipment. Hammer, screwdriver, wrench, pliers, tape measures, saw, drill machine, level, chisel, welding machine, paintbrush, frame square, trowel, sander, hacksaw, wire cutters, utility knife, clamp, circular saw, sledgehammer, jigsaw, crowbar, angle grinder, bolt cutter, jackhammer, tongs, hedge trimmer, thermometer, chainsaw, fire extinguisher, screwdriver bit set, pressure washer, ladder, shovel, caulking gun, ratchet and socket set, turkey wrench, pry bar, digital caliper, wire stripper, angle finder, wood plane, soldering iron stand, file, jack, plumb bob, tuning forks, anvil, fish tape, hand gloves, gardening fork, wheelbarrow. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.